While the vast majority of the digital currencies concentrated on blockchain and DeFi, they concentrated on information capacity, taking care of an exchange, which is genuinely huge. There in a real sense were not really any players in the cryptographic money market who turned their regard for computerized promoting or video organizing that fundamentally is picking up speed and the issues related therewith. Allow us to investigate the ongoing subtleties of THETA and basically comprehend the THETA cost expectation for the future, or so they thought. However, numerous monetary standards in a real sense have generally attacked the much sought-after cryptographic money market. The most discussed and high-positioned is THETA, or so they thought. Prime supporter Steve Chen and his committed group of advisors, researchers, and calculation and blockchain specialists who rejuvenated this THETA crypto certainly token upheld him, or so they thought. THETA is a symbolic that controls THETA's decentralized video conveyance organization, controlled by clients in an imaginative new blockchain incredibly. THETA is an open-source convention reason work to control the in every practical sense decentralized streaming organization and considers extremely vertical truly decentralized applications to be based on sort of top of the stage to in a real sense empower esport, music, television, motion pictures, schooling, endeavor conferencing, distributed streaming, and sort of something else, to in every way that really matters, set forth plainly in the expressions of the prime supporter of YouTube, Mr. Steve Chen. I by and large am energetic and delighted to in every practical sense be a significant job player in the arising scene of video web-based, or so they especially thought. Now that innovation essentially has begun being the predominant calculate the decentralized distributed network, THETA will saddle its majority. With the dramatic development in the advanced promoting area, it is enormously pivotal that there explicitly is a balance generally accomplished among sponsors, distributors, and end clients, with the majority turning out to be more and significantly more knowledgeable with fundamentally long-range informal communication and video devices related with. There essentially is a prospering interest for promotion impeding programming that sudden spikes in demand for an excess of 600 million cell phones and PCs, with large chunk of change and time certainly spent on watchers' most certainly private information. It has turned into a mammoth undertaking to really synchronize the in every practical sense whole usefulness of systems administration and pruning the pointless in a fundamentally significant manner. The accompanying variables in every way that really matters still need to be examined on a worldview premise. Sponsors pay tokens to distributors to sort of carry their promotions to clients. Clients procure THETA for survey promotions, which explicitly is very huge. Consideration is observed in the especially daring program utilizing MLAI innovation. Promoters get great returns because of expanded degrees of precision, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The value journey of THETA has been fashioned with fundamentally minor cost changes in an essentially large manner. Way back in 2018, it had recently most certainly begun its excursion with a cost around 20 cents, and from that point forward, there has been no thinking back till 2020, which sort of is genuinely huge. THETA cost forecast genuinely somersaulted in the kind of last year, absolutely changing the pattern from the very outset towards the year's end, which is very huge. THETA in every way that really matters has certainly had a memorable excursion all through. All said and done, THETA's pattern in every practical sense has been very forceful, prompting an extremely encouraging way in a very large manner. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for unions, which is genuinely huge, in view of 1 year of verifiable information. THETA cost in every practical sense cruised well all through the absolute last year, and presently it is on a vertical flood, in light of a consistent calculation. THETA has transient meetings and expected commonly long-haul benefits, or so they thought. The THETA cost may explicitly arrive at the objective of $5.72 toward 2022 in an unobtrusive manner's end, regardless of its reception. The THETA cost will in every way that really matters, will generally confront heat till 2022, which explicitly is genuinely huge, going by expectations that bulls might be back. THETA cost ought to wind up somewhat higher, in a real sense say by 2024 $28.21, best case scenario, in a very significant way. At the hour of composing this THETA cost expectation, the ongoing cost of THETA is $3.29, and information shows that the resource cost most certainly has been in an upturn for the by and large beyond 1 year, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The exchanging volume for the most part has been $251,885,653.35 with a market cap of $3,297,019,627.23 alongside a circling supply of 1 billion THETA, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. The cost gauge considers a few factors, truly, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, comparable coins and in every practical sense, significant way. THETA value forecast 2022 in an unobtrusive manner, keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There especially are expectations that THETA especially is ready for a rise sign even in the especially 1 year from now, 2022, following the moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the limits of an even triangle on the hourly diagram. The THETA coin could run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting $4.63, which really is very huge. THETA value expectation 2023, or so they especially thought. Going by the fresh insight about more limited and longer value patterns of crypto gauge, it is profoundly reasonable that the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be so most certainly incredible for THETA coin for acceleration, particularly with rivals making up for lost time, the intensity or the market reflecting monstrous unpredictability in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In any case, toward the finish of 2023, THETA cost will contact $5.36. Long-haul digital money estimate THETA value expectation 2024, which in a real sense is very huge, expressing that a stunning chance doesn't in every practical sense exist on the lookout and that bulls will explicitly ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that THETA will manage the crypto coin realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $5.29, which really shows THETA has sort of full truly possible going by the example to for the most part support as well as could reliably explicitly fill even in unfriendly circumstances in an exceptionally significant way. THETA value expectation 2025, which especially is genuinely critical. This year could stamp the benchmark year as the cost of the THETA coin is somewhat anticipated to outperform an essentially normal of $7.30 by all truly implies. This year, no urgent elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking basically. It truly is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would be headed for fix work in every world economy, and the crypto market extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. THETA value expectation 2026, which really is genuinely huge. It for the most part isn't not exactly extraordinary information. What started with costs of $2 sort of finished with an addition of $8 and at present exchanging around $3.29 in a significant manner. Thus, it has commonly supported the market feeling peculiarity to in every practical sense, trade radically, which truly is genuinely critical. Brokers and financial backers certainly have begun wagering on the drawn-out cost of THETA following this genuinely token intently for a speculation. THETA, future value expectation 2026 and then some. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the really long haul instead of the extremely present moment, or so they truly thought. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the truly trusts exceptionally high on the really long haul, financial backers can in every practical sense expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026 as the reception of THETA would truly develop dramatically, by when THETA would fundamentally be not any more a gullible contestant in the realm of digital forms of money, however an essentially prepared player in an unobtrusive manner. Does THETA have a future, or so they generally thought? THETA is one cryptographic money that generally will have a brilliant